So today let's talk about creatine in depth. So we all hear this myth often that creatine can ruin your kidneys. Creatine is a steroid. You will gain fake muscle, just water weight. You will lose all your gains when you stop taking creatine. So we all hear this a lot all the time. But here is the truth. Creatine can be one of the most effective and safest supplement ever created. Or it could possibly be one of the most dangerous ones dependent on how you use it. That's where knowledge is powerful. And in this video, I'll break it down for you in the simplest way possible, what creatine is actually and how it works in your muscles. The proven benefits for your body and brain. So the myths versus facts. The safest and most effective dose for creatine. When and how to take it. And why understanding your kidney function is absolutely essential before you even start taking creatine. Stay with me till the end, because once you truly understand how the creatine works, you will never use it in the wrong way again. So those who don't know me before, my name is Matloob and I'm a pharmacist, and I'm passionate about helping people make smarter choices about their health, fitness and lifestyle. Now I've seen in practice people get amazing results from creatine, and I've also seen people harm themselves not because creatine is bad, but because they use it without understanding how their body, especially their kidney, actually handle creatine. So let's start with what actually is creatine. Creatine isn't some lab-made chemical or secret bodybuilding formula. It's something your body already produces naturally, mainly in your liver and kidney from amino acids. We also get small amounts from food like red meat and fish. Most of that creatine is stored inside our muscle as a backup energy source, and we use it when we really need that energy. Think of it like tiny rechargeable battery that your muscle pull power from whenever you need quick energy, like during a sprint, a heavy lifting, or even while thinking hard. So how it works is when our muscle work hard, they burn energy super fast. Creatine steps up and helps recharge your muscle energy supply so you can keep going stronger for a longer period of time. Imagine you are using your phone at 5% battery. Creatine is like plugging it into a fast charger mid-workout. It helps you push through, recover quickly and build more strength over time. So what are the proven benefits of creatine? It gives us more strength and power. You can train harder, lift heavier and build real muscle, not fake water weight. Faster recovery. Creatine helps your muscle recover after tough workouts so you can train more often for a longer period of time. Brain support. It's not just for athletes. Creatine fuels your brain too, improving focus and mental clarity, especially when you are tired or stressed. Cell health. Creatine also helps to protect your muscle and brain cells from fatigue by keeping them well energized. So no, creatine isn't just for gym supplement or the bodybuilder. It's literally cellular fuel for your brain and muscle, and everybody needs creatine. So what are the most common myths and the facts about creatine? So myth number one, which we hear a lot, creatine is a steroid. So the fact is, steroids are hormones. Creatine is not hormone, it's just an amino acid compound your body naturally uses for energy. So myth number two, it's just water weight. Fact, creatine does help muscle hold a bit of water, but inside the muscle cells where it hydrates and helps them work better, that's not fake muscle, it's healthy functioning muscle and functioning tissue. So myth number three, it damages your kidney. The fact is, in people with healthy kidney, creatine is proven safer at normal doses. So it's not the creatine itself that's dangerous, it's using it blindly without understanding your body or your kidney functioning. So my own personal view about creatine, here is the truth. Creatine isn't safe if you don't use it properly or use it blindly. I have seen patients who overdose thinking more is better, or they will gain results quickly by getting higher dose, or who did not drink enough water or had undiagnosed kidney underlying issues, and they end up harming their body than getting any benefit out of the creatine. Your kidneys are like the filters in your car engine. They clear out the waste from creatine metabolism. If your kidneys aren't working well, that waste stays inside your system, and that's where the real danger starts. So before you start creatine, it's not about which brand is best, it's about whether your body can handle it safely. So the right way to take creatine is, the best and safest form is creatine monohydrate. Simple, cheap and well studied over many years. Start with 3 to 5 grams per day, that's roughly 1 teaspoon. Take it once daily, ideally after workout or within a meal. Consistency is more important than timing. Drink plenty of water, at least 2.5 to 3 liters a day. That's a very important point, because creatine pulls water into the muscle and it needs more water to clear out of the system. You don't need to load or take 20 grams unless you are in personal training program and know what you're doing and monitoring your body function regularly. So who should not take creatine? People with the kidney problem or abnormal kidney test results, they should avoid creatine. And people, those who are dehydrated or taking medicine that can stress their kidneys, for example, people who are on painkillers or high doses of antibiotics, they should be avoiding creatine. And also pregnant or breastfeeding women, simply because there isn't enough safe data available. If you are unsure, always get your kidney function checked before you start creatine. So in summary, best form of creatine is creatine monohydrate. Dose should be 3 to 5 grams per day. And hydration is a key, 2.5 to 3 liters of water every day. The results you will get: stronger workout, faster recovery, sharp mind. And the caution you need to bear in mind is safe only if kidneys are healthy and dose is right. So creatine is not a steroid, it's not dangerous, and it's not just for bodybuilder. Everybody needs creatine. But like every powder too, it only works safely when you understand how to use it safely and effectively. It can help you build strength, boost energy, and even support brain health. So if you use it wrong, it can stress your kidneys and backfire completely. So in the end, bear these points in mind if you're thinking to start creatine, or if you know anybody who is thinking or already taking wrong dose of creatine, please share that video with them. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you.